Dear students, today I will tell you the solution of problem of NCERT book class 10. टॉपिक होगा इसका यूनिट कार्बन एंड इट्स कंपाउंड, पेज नंबर 68, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. क्वेश्चन इज हाउ मेनी स्ट्रक्चरल आइसोमर्स कैन यू ड्रा फ्रॉम पेंटेन? Question is how many structural isomers are possible or you can draw for pentane. You know this is pentane. Pentane belongs to that series of hydrocarbons which is related with alkanes. General formula of alkane is CnH2n+2. And this is related hydrocarbons. This contains pen means 5, N means alkane. This contains 5 carbon and number of hydrogen 12. Students, structural isomers means there should be change in structure. The structure, when structure changes, the question is either structure becomes long or short or thick or thin. You know this contains 5 carbon because it is separated hydrocarbon. Therefore, these 5 carbons are linked with each other by single bond. One structure is possible. Then I will solve the chain. Now number of carbon becomes 4. 1 carbon remains. You can put here. This is structure number 1, structure number 2, and this is structure number 3. There are 3 structures of pentane. You can change this carbon, but it can come only at this carbon. This is carbon number 2 from this side, and this is carbon number 2 from this side. Therefore, both will have same structure like this. If you write like this, then this is at carbon number 2, and this will be on carbon number 2. Therefore, both will have same structure, but these structures are different, and they are called structural isomers. I have told you already, isomers are those compounds which have same molecular formula, means all structure having 5 carbon and 12 hydrogen, but their structure is different. Therefore, they are called structural isomer. In very simple way, 2 students have same part of body, but they have different structure. Therefore, they are called structural isomers. All the men which are living on the earth, they are structural isomer. I can fill up this formula. You know that valency of carbon is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This contains 12 hydrogen and 5 carbons. As you are seeing on the board, 5 plus 5, 10, 11, 12. 12 hydrogen, 5 carbons. This is called pentane. And this structure also contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Put hydrogen here. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of hydrogen is 12 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 hydrogen and 5 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the structures of both are different. Similarly here, this structure can be written like this. This contains 5 carbons. Valency of carbon is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Valency of this carbon is satisfied wholly. And this 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 हो गया ये. This formula also containing 12 hydrogen and 5 carbon. But as you are seeing on the board that these three formula 1, 2 and 3, they have same number of carbon atom and same number of hydrogen, but their structure is different. Therefore, they are called structural isomer. Only 3 structural isomers are possible for pentane. This will be answer of your question. Next question is, what are 2 properties of carbon which lead to huge number of carbon compounds we see around us? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि कार्बन की कौन सी ऐसी प्रॉपर्टीज हैं जो बहुत सारे कंपाउंड्स को फॉर्म करने के लिए उसको इंड्यूस करती हैं. तो 2 प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ कार्बन इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट which play important role in the formation of compounds. First property is catenation, tendency of catenation. I have told you in periodic table that carbon have maximum tendency of catenation. Catenation is the tendency in which the atom combine with itself by forming chain. So carbon have property to make long chain by combining with itself. As you are seeing on the board, carbon and carbon are combining and forming chain. This is 5 carbon chain, this is 4 carbon chain, and this is 3 carbon chains. Second, carbon contains 4 electrons in its valence shell. Therefore, it can share 4 electrons with 4 different atom or groups. Therefore, it can form large molecules. This is the reason we are seeing a number of organic compounds around us. And what will be the formula and electron dot structure of cyclopentane? What will be formula of cyclopentane? Cyclopentane, its formula and its dot structure both. As its name cyclopentane, pent means 5, means 5 carbons are in a cycle like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 carbons are in a cycle. Therefore, it is called cyclopentane. Suffix is "ane", it means carbon and carbon is joined by single bonds. These carbons are linked with another carbon atom by single bond. You know that valency of carbon is 4. One valency is this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now valency of carbon satisfied. Each carbon has 4 valency, and this is filled by hydrogen. You are seeing that there is 10 hydrogen and 5 carbons in cyclopentane. Therefore, molecular formula of cyclopentane is C5H10. This is formula of cyclopentane, molecular formula. Molecular formula of cyclopentane. This is structural formula. बच्चों, आप देखते होंगे जो छाता होता हमारा, उसका 3 फॉर्म होता है। हम बटन पुश करते हैं, छाता लंबा होता है, तो छाता खुल जाता है। तो ये छाता खुला हुआ छाता है, और ये आपका जो है बंद छाता है। ये छाता बीच वाला होता है, जैसे ये मैंने लिख दिया हाफ फोल्ड, दिस इज हाफ फोल्ड अम्ब्रेला। This is completely fold, and this is open umbrella. This is structure of cyclopentane. Now I will write electron dot structure of cyclopentane. I have told in previous problems that you remove bonds between carbon and hydrogen and write in front of them. This is hydrogen, now you are seeing here, now you know carbon has 4 electrons in its valence shell and hydrogen has 1 electron. Hydrogen can share maximum 1 electron and carbon can share maximum 4 electrons by 1 atom or more than 1 atom. Electron of carbon divided by this sign and hydrogen by this sign. Now I have removed the bonds between the carbon and hydrogen. 1 electron of carbon and 1 electron of hydrogen. Here carbon electron and hydrogen electron. Similarly here. नंबर नहीं हो रहा। You know that carbon contains 4 valence electrons in its valence shell. For this carbon, valence electrons are 1, 2, 3, 4, and for this 1, 2, 3, 4, for this 1, 2, 3, 4, and this 1, 2, 3, 4, this 1, 2, 3, 4, and electron of hydrogen is this. This is given in sharing. Hydrogen acquires attains duplet helium structure by sharing 1 electron because it has 2 electrons in its valence shell after sharing. Therefore, it attains helium structure. So hydrogen has 2 electrons in its valence shell. Valence shell of carbon has 8 electrons. I am surrounding circle. This is electron of carbon which are used in sharing 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. Similarly here, दो ये हुए electrons in carbon circle. Each carbon has 88 electrons in its valence shell, and each hydrogen has 2 electrons in its valence shell. This is electron dot structure of cyclopentane. Electron dot structure of cyclopentane. That's all for today. In next video, I will tell the many problems and will explain you formation of micelle, difference between soap and detergent. This will be told in next video. I think it will be beneficial for you. You study it and share with companions and subscribe to channel to get new videos. Thanks.